First we'll disconnect the battery. Use a 10mm wrench. Loosen up the negative terminal. Make sure you don't arc it out on the positive. And set it aside. Take this cover off. There's 10mm bolts right here and here. Use a 10mm socket. And grab this cover and just slide it out of the way. Take this bolt out right here. Use a 10mm socket. You can grab the coil, slide it up a little bit. It makes it easier to disconnect the connector. Push down on the connector and slide it off. Slide the coil out. Use a 5/8 spark plug socket. You can remove the spark plug with an extension and a ratchet. And slide the spark plug out. Take the spark plug, slide it into the socket, and carefully slide it down the spark plug tube. And by hand, tighten it up. And torque that to 13 foot-pounds. Take the coil, slide it in position, lock it in place. Push it down. Get the bolt started. And snug it down. And do the same for the other ones. Now take this cover and slide that in position. Put the bolts back in. And tighten them down. Take the battery cable, put it back on the battery, and tighten it down. Make sure it's snug.